Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. Getting the no internet connection error in Steam? Don't worry. Let's start with the first solution. First,
Completely close all Steam tasks from Task Manager.
now open Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner. Then open Settings. Go to Downloads. Find Clear Download Cache. And click it. Steam will restart after clearing the cache. You may need to sign in again. Now check if the problem is fixed. If Steam still isn't connecting, try running Steam as administrator. Close Steam. Find your Steam shortcut. Right-click on it. Select Open File Location. This will open your Steam installation folder. Find steam.exe. Right-click on it. And select Run as administrator. Now check if Steam connects to the internet. If you're still getting the error, your Windows firewall may be blocking Steam. Open Windows Search. Search for Allow an app through Windows Firewall. And open it. Find Steam in the list.
Make sure both private and public are checked.
If they're not checked, click Change Settings.
Enable both options for Steam.
Then click OK. Now open Steam again. And check the connection. If the problem is still there, restart your PC. Then open Steam again. Hopefully one of these fixes gets Steam back online. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe to Guidify. Thanks for watching.